What's up, guys? So I will be testing out this today. This is the 𝗕👂👍. Crap. I have the mic in my hand. I not even realize. So today, guys, I'll be testing out this mic today. So today is a very interesting road trip. So this is like a, well, not like, this is a 4-channel microphone, right? So I'm testing it out today, see what the audio sounds like. And yo, today's going to be a good vibe. So I also will be testing out the Zhiyun Cine Weeble 3E as well, with my Fuji X-T5, and see what that looks like. Yo, I'm just going to let all the noise roam this place in this audio. So right now Vanda's passing me, and I wanted to sort the voice isolation for this one now, edit it in my software. I don't know if I'm going to use DaVinci or Final Cut, but mostly Final Cut because that's the vibe for me. So yeah, and I'll be shooting on the Hasselblad and the Fuji X-T5. So today should be a very interesting day. I'm going all the way in Portland. I'm not driving, so that is perfect for me. So I guess that the mic just connect automatically. I turn on the audio level, right? So I'm vlogging on the Fuji X-H2 6.2K 30. So let me just clip this right here. So I turn on the audio level to hear what the audio sounds like. You get me? In the post, because I played it back and it sounds a little bit too loud. So guys, today I'll be shooting on this camera. All right, I'll just put down this box. All right, I did a video on this camera before. It's a pretty nice camera. All right, this is a Hasselblad XD2. Yo, the name is so cool. XD2, handmade in Sweden. All right, so I'm shooting on the 50, and this is at 1.8. Is it 1.8? Yeah. Probably put the correct reading on the screen. No, it is at 2.5. Yeah. So I'm waiting on them to get ready so we can actually get some things started out. And outside of that, this is also my next setup. All right. So the lens that I'm vlogging on right now, that's going to be the lens that I'm going to put on this. So majority of the day I'll be shooting instead of actually talking. You get me? So today should be a very fun day. You get me? And I have with me, come here, man. Send like so she help me shoot today. So the lens if you're looking at me, the lens if you're looking at, yeah, so she help me shoot today. We didn't come out of the camera now. So I don't even know which camera mic I'm gonna give her, but really and truly I'm shooting with 2 main camera bodies for photo, and that is the X-H2 and the Hasselblad XT2, right? Medium format and crop sensor. We shall get this ball rolling. All right, one thing I know, you saw this look blown out, so once I just drop this thing over it, all right, adjust it in there a bit. No, what the hell? Oh crap! I like to get this. Morning. All right, this looks a bit better. Damn fly. So basically, let me first point this out. All right, so the Zhiyun Cine 3, Zhiyun did send me that gimbal, right? I've already tested out on a previous shoot, but I'm just going to put everything in one. Well, not in this video. And 𝗕👂👍 did send me this amazing mic. Can you pass the mic, please? So, as I said, this is like a, well, not like, this is a 4-channel microphone, which means, block my face. Yo, the full face thing is so crazy because my head is in the shot. So 𝗕👂👍 did send me this mic, so 4-channel, so I can, like, 4 people can talk on it at once, on each mic at once, right? So I have the receiver on top, and I'll turn this around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I have 4 transmitters, right? And how easy it is, like most of these mics nowadays is just simple plug and go. But with these mics, you just turn it on. Well, they don't need to turn on anything, to be honest. You just take it out of the case and it turns on by itself. And this is the charging case that it comes with. I like it. It's very sleek. This is actually the first time I'm actually using it on a shoot. So yeah, I'm going to test it out. At least I know that I have multiple stuff to use. So if one dies, I can just jump to the next one, and if the next one dies, I can just jump to the next one. So I want 3 more mics to leave. You get me? So if this one dies, I'm good. But I'm actually going to put the case on charge. You get me? And it has a little charging thing right here, so I can show you when it's charging. I can press it, so you can just say, oh, okay, it's fully charged. Typical Type-C charger. And yo, that's basically it about this mic. So you guys can just be the judge and tell me what this mic sounds like. Hi guys, I'm here once more in Portland, and
okay, this is really boring. This is how it's supposed to go. Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy Pedro, and we're back in Portland shooting another banger video. What are we doing?
What she said.
Yeah, what I said.
Basically,
I never want to put them on.
So basically, once it comes out of the case, it just automatically
starts.
It just starts.
You just start record and it's good.
Oh.
And I like the fact that it's super small. It's light. You get me? You can just put it anywhere you want, just like the road book. What can I look for? Super small, very light, and based on how AI is now, I can just do good voice isolation, and anything that you hear, the van in the background, sound good.
Gone.
That's gone.
You don't have to do it yourself, just
So guys, so he's going to be, in front of the camera.
Oh, you're part of the vlog.
Yeah, so he's going to be in front of the camera. She's here to be in front of the camera as well.
Am I?
So
yeah, man.
Okay.
So we have the lovely lady over there putting on her makeup, right? So we're at this lovely place. Where is this place?
Somerset
Falls. Yeah. So we're going to make it an amazing day. Right, so shit, you have a bug spray?
We forgot to check,
No bug spray?
Yeah, we forgot to check. We said that we'd check, but then we never checked.
Yeah, shit. Funny enough, I did actually went in my van for the bug spray and never remember to take it out.
Yep, if we're taking an L, all of us took the L.
Shit.
Yo, Miss G is clutch.
Shove it?
Floor, yes.
Nice. All right.
Yeah.
Is enough?
Yeah. There's some in there.
Yeah, because we're going to need it for inside here. Trust me, because it's going to be crazy inside here.
Start applying shit. Like, I need my sunblock.
Yeah, so this is it. We're actually in Portland. Amazing day. Yo, today's going to be an amazing shoot.
Sunblock kit.
Actually, I hear them in the background talk right now. This is pretty cool. I like this mic. I really love it. Alright, so guys, alright. So what is it? Alright. So I'm actually testing out the audio right now. I just finished up, the shoot here at Somerset Falls. So the water of the river is super loud. But I don't know if voice or isolation can take it out. But today it was pretty good. Using the Hasselblad X2D was amazing. I love what the photo looks like. I don't know the end result. I don't know the end result yet. So as soon as I get back home, I look on the computer and see the end result, then I can determine, say, yeah man. So it's not really comparing it against the X-H2 because those are like 2 different type of cameras, right? So you have the crop sensor and then you have medium format. You get me? So let's enjoy the rest of this amazing day.
La 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 la. luxury.